What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. This here is the worm chow bin slash slug bin slash finally feeding regular food scraps to bin. So let's see how everybody's looking. This was the piece of bait lettuce I put for trying to catch some slugs, but never seen any on there. Looked like it was here in the middle of the feeding. Okay, flip-flopping around, fellas. Here's a banana. It looks like it's just full of castings. That's pretty awesome. Well, these guys are loving the fact that they're actually getting some food instead of just the worm chow. Okay, I'm going to add some fresh bedding over here for them. I'm going to go ahead and wet it down and incorporate a little bit of the castings in there. So for now, I'm just going to leave that area, leave that alone. I'm going to continue to feed over this way, and then as the worms kind of start to go into there, maybe the next feeding or in 2 feedings, I'll start feeding over that way. We'll take a little pinch of that though. So this is going to get the rest of the lettuce that I have, which isn't too much. And actually, this liquid I'm going to pour over here. The rest of the berries, raspberry and blueberry, they were in the freezer. Just mushing them up a little bit. And then my last bit of asparagus ends. I guess the word I was looking for was asparagus stems. So, pretty happy that I didn't spot any slugs on this go round. Again, so that's good. And go with the grit. I'm going to put this piece of lettuce and banana on top. Can you see the worms? Hit them with a little worm chow. And I want to add a little bit of grit to that new bedding. Okay. Well, thanks for coming along and checking out this quick update. Everybody have a great day.